Hi everyone, do you want to build a website but you don't have money for hosting or a domain? Don't worry, today I will show you how to do it for free using LocalWP. Why should we use LocalWP? Here are 3 simple reasons. It is 100% free. You don't need to pay any money. It is totally free. Easy to use. It is very simple. Just click and start building your website. Learn fast. You can practice anytime you want on your own computer. Local app helps you create a website on your computer. You don't need to buy a domain or hosting to learn. It is the best way to start your coding journey. So let's start your journey with LocalWP today. Welcome back everyone. Last time we learned how to download LocalWP. Today we will open it and see how to use it to create our first. Can you see our page after click LocalWP app? If you want to create a new site, so please click here. You will get this page and you will click continue. After then you will get this page. You can write your site's name in this page. So we can write first class. After then we will click continue and we will get this page. After then we will click continue. After then we will get this page and we will write in this place our username and password and email. So after then we will click added site. After writing in this place we will get, after click added site, and this page will wait for loading. After then we will get this page and we can see open site. Please we will click open site so we can see this page. Let's stop talking and start working. Let's get to work. We are here to work, not just to look around. Let's get started. We can go for working to WP admin. So click WP admin. So we will get this page. We will write in this page our email or username and password. After then we will click login and we will get this page after logging. Okay, so we will get this page, welcome to WordPress. So we can we will see beside this page some menu. Right now we will clean our dashboard. So I went to dashboard and we will click screen and we will see this topic. So we will click on this topic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can clean our site and we will write our site. We can design the site as we like. Now let's go to appearance and click on things. You will see there are three themes. Let's delete two of theme and keep only one as our backup. Now we will add a new theme called Hello theme. Why do we choose Hello theme? Because it is very flexible. It lets us design our website exactly as we like. That is why it is the best choice for us. So we will delete two themes. Click in this place and uh, we will delete. We will click on delete. OK. And this theme we will delete. Delete. OK. So this theme we will this theme backup theme, and we will active Hello theme. We will click on install and we will active this theme. So sometime we will wait for install. Yes, bro. We will see the space has changed, so no problem. We will change our page as we like, so no problem. Now we will discuss about plugin. So it is very important for us. We will click on plugin and we will see this page. Plugins are like extra toys for your website. If you want your website to do something special, you just add a plugin. Why use theme? Think of your website like a mobile phone. Without apps, a phone can only call. With apps, you can play games or watch videos. Plugins are like those apps for your website. We should open Elementor in this place. So we will go in dashboard and we will write Elementor in this box. So Elementor website will come. We will install Elementor and we will click on install. After then we will go settings and we will change our setting, and we can change our setting. Remember, after you change the settings, you must click the blue button at the bottom. LocalWP is not WordPress itself. It is a tool to help us run WordPress on our computers. In our next class, we will learn more about WordPress. This was just a basic introduction.